2013 Crown Royale football.
Oh no, yeah, exactly.
Get out of the way. Come on, Alex. Crown Royale football. Sunglasses on in the morning.
Cards are so extremely bright.
They better be. All right, we'll do pack by pack.
The glow of the hits.
What's my team?
We got the Santonio Holmes. This might be an auto. Got a Raiders auto, Michael Rivera, number 250. Carl, you a Raiders fan?
We used to have season tickets.
There you go. Got a numbered Marlon Brown to 199, parallel. Cook, Justin Blackman. All right, now we get a redemption, of course. Looks like a gold Tom Brady. Very nice. That's the number actually. Number 22-25. Brady. David Anderson. Reggie Bush. And the redemption is... So our rookie patch auto's a redemption is Jordan Reed. Is he Redskins? Redskins Jordan Reed, all right. And Jamal Charles. Yeah, they got some decent stuff. Here's the relic. Let's do the jersey since it's a random hit. Kaepernick patch to 25. That's pretty cool. Let me take a look. Very nice. There's some AJ Green. That's going to be one of you guys'. Josh Gordon. There's Ryan Griffin, Deshaun Jackson. All right, last pack should be another auto, and then we'll randomize these guys. Look at that patch. That's very cool. Got Calvin Johnson. Looks like a Nassib patch. Number 1 of 199, Justin Brown. A live one. Terrell Pryor, and it's so foily I can't even read it. Right. That's a pretty cool patch. Decent. Is that gonna be yours?
Yeah.
That's got 1, 2, 3. That's a 4-color patch. So this is the patch auto like Mike got the Manti Te'o. So we'll random off the hits here. Kaepernick, Nassib. Where's the auto? Rivera. Here, take out the numbered stuff, yeah? All right, so we'll random now.